Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make silky smooth whipping cream. We are using a commercially available non-dairy whipping cream. Take out the cream from the freezer and thaw it in the fridge overnight. Pour some in a clean chilled bowl and start beating it at a low speed. As we keep beating the cream, you will observe some bubbles. These bubbles are nothing but the building blocks for a perfectly whipped cream. They make the cream fluffy and double in size. As we beat, the consistency of the cream becomes thick. Whipping the cream looks like a never-ending process, but the results are amazing for sure. You can stop and check for soft peaks from time to time. After a while, increase the speed to medium. This step makes the cream more creamy and silky. As we are using a non-dairy cream, there is no need to add any sugar to it. Gradually increase the speed to high to make stiff peaks. As I tilt the cream bowl upside down, the cream won't fall. This indicates a perfect consistency for a silky smooth whipping cream. This cream is used for your cakes, cupcakes and desserts.